Siva Sivani Institute of Management is where future-focused business leaders are built. With an industry-driven PGDM program, MBA equivalent recognition, and specializations aligned with today's fastest-growing domains, SSIM gives students the edge they need to stand out. Backed by expert faculty, strong corporate exposure, and a modern outcome-oriented campus environment, the institute pushes students to think bigger.
The integration of technology here at SSIM bridges the gap between theory and practice. It gives us a clear idea of how businesses actually use tech to drive decisions. We use modern tools like data analytics software, online collaboration platforms, and AI-based learning systems. Learning through technology builds skills that are highly valued by employers like adaptability, analytical thinking, and innovation. SSIM's focus on technology gives us a competitive advantage. When we step into our careers, we are not just graduates, we are professionals ready to work in a digital ecosystem.
From corporate awareness to professional conduct, from personality evolution to communication excellence, SSIM equips students to step into the industry with confidence.
Whether it's in classroom discussions, presentations, or group projects, it's preparing us for the way things really work in the corporate world. My communication skills have improved tremendously here.
SSIM is committed to shaping industry-ready graduates through a robust and dedicated placement ecosystem.
The placement team here is very proactive. They guide and support every student until they find right opportunity that matches their strengths and goals. Right from resume building to mock interviews and corporate training, SSIM prepares us so well that we walk into placement interviews with confidence. Multinational companies from various sectors like consulting, finance, marketing, IT, and analytics regularly come to our campus. Most of us get multiple offers from reputed organizations even before finishing the course.
SSIM's industry interactions and internship programs provide hands-on experience, empowers students to apply concepts and think critically.
Every guest lecture adds value, whether it's learning about leadership, innovation, or emerging technologies.
At SSIM, internships are co-part of our learning. We get the opportunities to work with reputed organizations and apply our classroom knowledge in real business situations. Students gain strong industry exposure through live projects, corporate visits, and interaction with industry leaders.
At SSIM, clubs and committees are the heart of student life. They gave us the platform to explore our interests beyond academics and develop real leadership skills.
The variety of clubs, from marketing and finance to cultural and social responsibility, ensures there's something for everyone to get involved in. These initiatives not only make campus life exciting but also help us network, build friendships, and grow as well-rounded individuals.
SSIM offers a vibrant and positive environment where every day feels inspiring, fueled by the energy of youth and a shared passion to grow and progress.
Talking about life at SSIM, I can say it's a beautiful experience. Firstly, the lush green campus creates a calm and positive vibe. The accommodation and facilities are very comfortable and the food is honestly great. Also, there's always something happening. Cultural fest, sports, group activities. The campus has a chilled out and yet enthusiastic energy that makes every day exciting for me. So the students here are coming from different parts of the country. So they bring so many cultures and ideas together. It is very amazing to see how much we can learn from each other way beyond the classrooms. So SSIM is more than just a college. It is a place where you can build a lifelong friendship, a pan-India network which will always be valuable in our career.
At Sivani, education is a journey, not a destination. We start at the school level where young minds explore, question and discover their interest. In the intermediate and degree college, we sharpen their skills, communication, leadership and confidence to take on the world. By the time they reach our management institute, they are ready to step into the industry with knowledge, exposure and the Sivani edge. From curiosity to capability, from learning to leadership, that's the power of Sivani.
From a humble vision to a legacy of excellence, The Sivani group of institutions began its journey in 1961 with the starting of a school. The founder had dreamt of attaining a deemed to be university status way back in 1966, but was not interested in shortcuts. Having excelled in school education since 1961, the group forayed into higher education with the beginning of SSIM in 1992, the first standalone B school in the then United State of Andhra Pradesh, with one simple goal: to create leaders who make a difference. Over the years, we have grown into a premier business school where innovation meets integrity and learning meets leadership. Today, our alumni lead in top corporate houses, drive change across industries, and shape the world of business with purpose and fashion. SSIM has also produced businessmen who have started and now head businesses worth thousands of crores of rupees in India and abroad. At SSIM, our journey continues, empowering minds, inspiring leaders, and carrying forward a glorious legacy of success. SSIM, where vision transforms into leadership.